What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now this is Dome Life, a case for the Pixel 7 Pro by Whitestone Dome. So it's a slim case that goes on your phone. It's got perfect fit, comfortable grip and best protection, and of course works with the screen protectors. So they were kind enough to send this over. Now I have fitted a Whitestone Dome screen protector to the Pixel 7 Pro. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave it linked right above here. But it still looks absolutely fantastic from even the day that we fitted it. Still looks good. So let's go ahead and take the phone out so we can get a good look at this other case. So there we go. There is my Pixel 7 Pro. Let's go ahead and take this out. Let's take a look at it. Of course, you got that peely stuff on the inside of the box. And then there we go. So you get, taking out the wrapper, you get this foam insert, and then on the back right there you got like a weird, like a stainless steel effect with some carbon fibre accents at the bottom and the top, and of course cutouts for your camera and the flash. So let's go ahead and let's place it in like so. And there is the Dome Life slim case by Whitestone Dome. So you got nice clicky buttons, cut out for your cameras and your flash. Love that carbon fibre effect. Nice grippy texture on the side right here. Cutouts on the bottom for your charge port and your speakers. No real cutouts on this side, but looks and feels really good. Now it's got a bit of a lip around the top, but if you place it down, it doesn't seem to touch the screen because it has got that lip just above the top right there. You got a cutout as well on the top for your mic and your antenna band for your 5G. But placing it down, as I say, it doesn't seem to touch, so that looks really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link to this in the description down below to where you can pick it up for yourself. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. That might be a case that you're interested in for your Pixel 7 or 7 Pro. I'll leave both links down below to where you can pick this up. Yeah, it feels really good. Not plasticky around the camera, but it is nice and tough, and that carbon fibre effect just looks the part. So I'm looking forward to using this. I will be using this over the next couple of days or so to see just how good it is. Looks really good. Nice slim protective case, as I have been using the Caseology Nano Pop series for the last couple of weeks now. But this looks fantastic, and of course goes with your Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector, which has been on there now. Looks the part. Still some glue coming out of the sides, which I'll take care of with a wipe, but yeah, looks the part, feels good in the hand. Probably one of the nicest cases I've maybe held for the Pixel 7 Pro at the minute. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Quick unboxing of the Dome Life slim case with the premium black TPU. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. For now guys, take care and stay safe. Rah.